A very warm welcome to the 5th Annual ET Government National PSU Summit and Awards 2024 in this vibrant and historic city of New Delhi.
PSUs are making a huge and critical contribution to the economy of the country, particularly for inclusive and sustainable growth.
Due to their undeterred efforts today, India is the second largest producer of the coal, India is the second largest producer of the steel in the world, and 85% of the coal productions comes from these public sectors.
We really need to invest much more in our R&D. For a country of our size, the 5th largest in the world, to be investing just 0.7% of GDP in R&D is simply not good enough.
'21st century governance is extraordinarily complicated, and to simplify it, technology can be a huge force multiplier in terms of simplification of governance.
If we at all have to make a mark in the world arena, we have to live up to world parameters, we have to meet the world benchmarks, and so are we now, I think, like never before.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आप जन लोग जैसे दिन भर के इस कॉन्क्लेव में बैठे हैं, इसका निष्कर्ष बहुत अच्छा होगा। मेरी तरफ से आप सबको ऑल गुड विशेस फॉर फ्यूचर। हम आगे भी जब बुलाएंगे तो ज़रूर आएंगे। इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स को एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद।
Definitely in India, we have minds and we have hands. So we can design cheaper and we can produce also cheaper.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's why we can definitely make it export worthy, and so many countries we can re-export to even the original countries itself. Because sometimes we have seen it is becoming costlier for them to produce there or customize for Delta requirements there. Can be done here and then re-export.
For another 25 years, I think there is no dearth of the potential of the lending operation in the country. Only thing is that we have to keep our costs very, very competitive, and we have to come out with the innovative kind of funding.
Innovation, more digitalization, adoption of latest technology, and kind of overall or internal corporate governance reforms within public sector undertakings is a must.
Going forward, along with building capacities of your own employees, please do engage with local people.
In our journey for net zero, we have to move towards making it more reliable, more stable, and more trustworthy.
Public-private partnership is the order of the day. So let me share with you that, for a single company to develop the entire system may not be the right strategy or the right way.
First edition of the ET Government PSU Leadership Excellence Awards 2024.